Tipula oleracea, also known as the crane fly, do not bite and do not suck blood and do not carry diseases. They are often mistaken for mosquitoes. They grow up to 2.5 inches long with a wingspan of 3 inches. Females have a sharp ovipositor or egg-laying organ on the tip of their abdomen. Important food source for robins and starlings: microorganisms, parasitoids, frogs, native nematodes, and small mammals. Crane fly larvae are worm-like and grayish. Brownish or cream colored. The aquatic larvae of many crane flies are indicators of good stream health and become fish food. Other larvae are good decomposers and help break down decaying organic matter. They have adapted to feeding on grasses and the roots of some plants. Lamentis arthemis, red-spotted purple butterfly.
You could have done that for your summer work for freshman.
These common butterflies line in deciduous or mixed forest, moist uplands, and valley bottoms. They are found in the eastern United States and west into the Rocky Mountains. The red-spotted purple butterfly has a bilateral symmetry and they are ectothermic. They have a wingspan of 2 3/4 to 4 inches. These organisms lay eggs along the tips of cherry or willow leaves. Adult Arthemis absorb moisture and nutrients from puddles, damp grounded or decaying fruit, and animal droppings. They resemble another species of a butterfly that is toxin and turns away predators. The wings are black and have a broad white band across each dorsal wing. On the base of the wings are orange spots and marginal rows of white and blush dashes. Raniceps raninus. Tadpoles' eggs are enveloped inside of a jelly-like substance. This substance has an undesirable taste to its predators. Tadpoles are born with gills so that they can live underwater. They grow their tails longer, making them seem bigger. Tadpoles have the ability to smell the primary predator, allowing them to have protection. Taraxacum. This species is referred to as a dandelion. Dandelion produces seeds through the summer and autumn. The leaves have a sour taste to them, so animal is less likely to eat it, allowing the plant to live longer. When the seed lands and begins to grow, the rosette forms in the shape of a circle, giving the plants touching the dandelion no light to survive. This ensures that the dandelion doesn't have to compete for resources. Root hairs extend from all the dandelion roots to increase surface area of the plant. This allows the dandelion to better absorb water and nutrients from the soil. The root also serves an anchor deep in the ground, meaning if the flower is even cut down or another will shortly grow as long as the roots are still intact. Lampredae, also known as the lightning bug. The lightning bug's larvae live on the ground and underneath tree bark. They feed on plant nectar. They only live long enough to mate and lay their eggs. Luciferase and luciferin are the chemicals that are found in the tail that light up in the presence of ATP. Reflex bleeding. They bleed because the chemicals taste bitter and are even poisonous to some animals. They make cold light, which means it has no ultraviolet rays. The lightning bug feeds in wet areas or in woodlands.
Smash my finger.
Oh, there's a sugar.
Where?
I saw it.
Right there? Right there? Right there? Right there?
Lily, I'm trying to find
Right
the focus.
there.
You're breaking my concentration.
Right there?
You're breaking
Breaking everything.